Things were so difficult for me in the city. I tried all I could to gather money for myself to start up a business. All of a sudden, something just came and the money vanished just like that.
How can you lost money just like that? You would have saved it in the bank.
But it didn't just vanish like that. Yes. Just look at me. I just bailed myself from the police station. A case I knew nothing about.
How did you get into the problem?
Same question. Papa, same question I keep asking myself till today. Unnecessary case just came in and swallowed my body just like that. And expect me to start afresh. This must be a ghost.
How can you say a thing like that? How can you say we are caught?
Are we not? Are we not? I remember how you and Mama used to fight for money over food. Until now we still eat from hand to mouth. And you believe we are not cursed? Hey, Papa!
I rather say misfortune.
There is no difference.
The crown, who will wear the crown? When you got you no banana, when you got mysteries and tales, rocking a line, I could call you ready. When you got Korani, when you got Kobarani, every little of your banner, a woman more. Oh, man, who will wear the crown? When you got Chino Bodani, yo, mysteries about who wear the crown.
Mama John, do you have local rice? I have. I have everything now. Okay.
There's nothing I don't have in this shop.
Okay. Give me 3 cups. 3 cups, yes. Okay. Mama John, I hope you have the money to pay for the items you want to buy. You know we have been friends for long. I will give you the money. Though I don't have money now, but I will go to my father's house tomorrow. I will bring your money. Help me, please. Mama John, you have been doing this for me. Mama John, why are you this wicked? Yes, why are you wicked? You remember you owe me 1,000 naira the last time you came here. Now you want to buy another thing on credit. Why? Fear God though, fear God. John, I'll give you. Please. It's going to be alright. I cannot remain like this. Please. Madam, that has been your ringing tone for the past 3 years. What kind of thing is this? It's going to be alright. Who told you to not be alright? Please, I don't want to. There is no friendship in business. Please, just take your wretched and cursed body out of this shop now. Yes. Do I look like I'm cursed? Before you infect me with curse. Just leave my shop. Kerosene. Okay, leave my shop. What kind of thing is this? No so cheap or some credit. No credit today, come tomorrow. Ha! Okay, forgive why. Atalangata Oshilangaya. Ha!
What is it? Please talk to me.
Will it make any difference? Are you just noticing my face now? are you just noticing the look on my face? I've been going through this embarrassment for a long time now.
Okay. What embarrassment is that? Okay, come on, sit down. Come on.
Will sitting down put food on our table? Will it? Answer me. Will it put food on our table? Biko, rap maka. Biko, just rap maka.
When troubles comes and trials abound, so many pains surrounding our kingdom. Are the gods asleep or have been on a journey? Okay, now what's it when it's over? Oh, we Buriana na song.
Please wake up.
Honey, what is it?
I want us to talk.
At this time of the night, it's late. Can you not wait till morning? I promise.
No, it can't wait. It's very important. We have to talk.
Honey, I'm so tired. In the morning, we'll talk about this. Biko.
I said I cannot wait. I want us to talk.
Hey. Okay, what is it?
Now I have your attention. Can you tell me what you meant when you said you do not want the crown? Because I don't understand it. We never discussed that. What do you mean?
I'm supposed to have a conference with you before taking that decision.
Oh yes, you have to. Because I am your wife.
Then be a wife. I don't understand this your obsession with the crown. What is it? You and I have been married for 3 years without any child. That should be our most pressing issue at this moment. Yet you don't even think about it. Now you want to use your obsession for the throne to cover up what we have to tackle? Is that it?
But I thought...
Don't think anything! Just do not ever disturb me about this issue of the throne again. I'd like to go to bed.
You mean he said all this to you? And even more. I honestly do not know why he said the throne doesn't interest him anymore. Queen Mother, all he plans to do is to end his father's dynasty.
No. Sandra, no. That cannot happen. I promise it will not happen.
I pray. I pray.
So where is he now?
I don't know. He left earlier before I woke up. Queen Mother, I'm just so worried.
Calm down. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Trust me.
What do you want? We don't entertain beggars here.
Sir, I am not a beggar. Besides, I don't look like a beggar.
What do you want? How may I help you?
Okay, thank you so much. You see, I came all the way from Amikulu Kingdom. People told me that I can get a job here. That's why I'm here.
I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
Can you read? I mean, can you read well?
If I can read? Yes, I can read. I finished my secondary school. I can read.
So you can read, right?
Yes. No vacancy.
No vacancy. I guess this answers your question. Have a nice day.
Excuse me, sir.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
When troubles comes and trials survive, so many things surrounding our kingdom.
I'm going boss. Going by Sienna. I'm
Okay, please, can you help me? I have 150, please. Just 150, help me.
Oga, no come here, come spoil business from you. Eh? Don't you know we are on lockdown? So, bros, now 300 naira. Chicken,
yes, you can still help me. Just even if this place, I can sit here now.
Oga, what you want be? You can easily help. You can easily. The here is an orphanage. We don't help people here. The price is 300 naira. If you have the money, you enter. If you don't have, wonder what?
Okay, just help me. You can help me. You can help me, please. You can help me, please. You can do it. Let me just get to where I'm going to, please.
Okay.
Just help me.
We are on lockdown. And for this lockdown, I need to talk to help you. Wonder why he may be in business.
Please, okay.
We need the marketer. We need people, people that know what it takes. Look at him.
My boss. My Sienna.
Good afternoon.
Sorry, how may I help you?
Yes, please, I want you to assist me with just 150. Please, just 150 so that I can catch up with the boss, please.
Sorry, I don't have money. By the way, how will a healthy man like you be begging for money? Can't you find something to do?
Yes, I understand. That is why I came in search of work, but I didn't succeed. Please just help me so that I'll complete the one I have here, please. You can just help me, please. Just 150 so that I will go back to where I came from, please. Please. Please.
I don't want to see you around here again. I don't want to see you around here begging. If I see you again, I'm going to arrest you.
You will not see me here again. You won't see me. Thank you so much.
Gods are asleep or have been on a journey. Okay, now what's a puni tofe? Owe Buriana na sonso. Which way forward for our kingdom? Tell me which way forward for our kingdom.
Welcome. Thank you.
How did it go?
Mama, I wasn't good enough.
What do you mean by you wearing good enough? My son, you are the best. Don't you ever look down on yourself. Yes. Don't look down on yourself. You are the best. Do you understand? You are the best and you will remain the best. Please.
But
don't. It's okay. It's okay. Go inside. Go and take your bath. Food will soon be ready. Huh? Go, please. You are the best, and you will always remain the best. Huh? It's well. Go. Go. It's well.
The ways of the gods are wise, but you may not understand. Ebo yoko kamu obodo na kunisi ndi obodo. Oke no somewhere no sonwa. Onye mazi kambiri siwe bana obi bagiri. Ebu na tumo. Akwisi karaka bu ya na-ebuzi n'ogidi onwa. Manonye bu n'ogidi bukwa pantu n'isi. When troubles comes and trials abound, so many pains surrounding our kingdom. Are the gods asleep or have been on a journey? Okay, now what's a punitofe? Oh, we buriana na sonso. Which way forward for our kingdom? Tell me which way forward for our kingdom.
Mazi, could anybody be in this house? Yes, I think so. You can see that window. So. Daluno! Anybody home?
Oh no.
Eh? How are you?
You are welcome.
We were looking for the compound of Okeke, and we were directed here.
You are the right place. Please come and sit down.
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you. Don't worry. I know you know we are not as smart as we are, so we can manage it.
You are the right place. Okay, Kenko. It's my father's name. We changed the name during my own time. But is there anything wrong?
Are you saying that this is also Loma's compound?
Oh no, why are you people asking this question? Uloma gave birth to me. She never married. She died at childbirth. Is there anything the matter? Oh no.
My sister, if you ask me, who will I ask? I have never seen my husband behave like that before. I mean, what's all this? It is very obvious. Because I do not need a soothsayer to tell me that he is under a spell.
A spell, Sandra? Come on now. Who places a spell on your husband? That's not possible. But this is really, really serious. It's serious. Like, it's bad for me. Because I've been bragging. Is he on Facebook? Is he WhatsApp? Is he Instagram? Didn't you see your pictures on my page? I've been saying I'm going to become a friend to the queen. My friend is the queen. Queen Sandra won. As in the mouth I don't make. Too much. It's really bad for me.
It's no longer funny. And funny enough, they've been calling me. All those girls, all of them, they've been calling me. They want to come and celebrate with me over my victory as the queen. What do I even tell them? You see that short Margaret, that woman that lies and gossips around? Her own is worse. I've automatically blocked her. Because she calls me every second.
See, at the end of the day, this is not even a do or die affair.
It is. It is a do or die affair because my husband must wear that crown and I must be the queen. There's nothing else.
Babe, calm down. At least he...
No, don't tell me anything. He must wear that crown and I be the queen. What's all this?
Queen.
Okay, now. But what's Sakoma?
See, I think you...
He must! Don't say any other thing. He must.
Wait, this sounds like a dream to me. You mean you're going to be the king of Amakuru Kingdom?
That's what they said to me.
Good news. Eh? Good news. The gods has finally remembered us. Eh? Imagine me that has been a laughing stock. Now called to be the queen of this town, Amakuru Kingdom. Eh? This is too good to be real. Eh? I have please, when are we going to the palace?
We are not going to that palace. Not now. Not ever.
Papa. Papa, what do you mean by that now?
Those people were part of my problems. I don't care what happens. If I refuse to take the crown, I will never. I have said mine.
You must take the crown.
Papa, Biko.
You must take the crown.
You see, my elders, I am not the one to be crowned king. My father is the one. He makes his own decisions. So he doesn't take suggestions from me or my mother. My son, you see, you still have the purpose. Huh? Try to convince him. You know he loves you and has so much confidence in you. Huh? I come to think of it, if he becomes a king today, you become the prince, of course. Huh? And my son, it is a clarion call to serve. So please advise. Well, in that case, you have to give him time to digest the news. Yes, you know, it hasn't been easy for him and the family. Yeah, we know, we know. But just try to put more pressure. Huh? No, now we know he knows. Okay, no problem. I will try my best, you know. It's just something that we need to continue working on him. I'm so happy if it works.
Oh no, why would he say that? I mean, this is a huge opportunity for him to change his life. What do we do now?
My prince, I've completely run out of ideas. Yes. Today is the 5th day. And we are supposed to crown Mazin Denka before the 10th day.
Hey. Can you give me his address? Maybe a visit from me might make him change his mind.
My prince, that man is very stubborn, no? Very stubborn. In fact, you are going to have serious communication problem with him.
Let that be my worry. I will take whatever he serves me. I'm a man too, okay?
Okay. It's okay. Good. I will give you his address and his phone number.
Good.
But, my prince, you have to be very careful.
You trust me. Trust me. Just the address, please.
Okay. So, you...
So this is what he has been planning. Oh my goodness! My prince! Why have you chosen to disgrace me in public like this? Why? From grace to grass? May the gods forbid! May the gods forbid! I mean, what is so difficult? Sitting on that beautiful throne, wearing that amazing crown, and making me his queen. What is difficult? I'm losing my sanity right now. What do I do?
Is it the right thing to do? Because I'm still very confused about this other unknown heir.
He's linked to your grandfather. He's a child of one of his mates. She'll have the food. At least to leave whatever curse is placed on this family.
What about Ifeanyi?
How about him?
I mean, another person is going to be crowned king. It looks odd.
Princess, once a royalty is always a royalty. And it's Ifeanyi will always be referred as the crown prince of our Nollywood kingdom. And you, princess of our Nollywood kingdom.
Oh no. One more day, our grace will expire. Yet we do not have a king. Prince Ifeanyi will not hear anything about the crown.
Oh no. The chosen one wants all the time in the world to make up his mind. I am sorry.
My elders, I am as confused as every one of you. I can't even bring myself to ask Prince Ifeanyi to accept the throne.
You and I know that is impossible. We know what will happen if he does. Let us just keep praying that the gods will answer us and touch the heart of the young man. Ekucham oh no. Ekucham.
Hey. You must come be received about of your body. Ebuna tomorrow. Akwisi karaka buyane buzino giri yonuwa. Manoni ebuno giri bupa antunisi. When troubles comes and trials survive. So many things surrounding our kingdom. Are the gods asleep or have been on a journey? Okay, now what's the bonito fair? Oh, we Buriana and Sonso.
Now, I just hope everything works out fine. Please. No. Please, sit down. What is it? You look agitated and scared. What's wrong?
My prince, the worst has happened. Hey.
What happened?
Mazu Denka. He's nowhere to be found. This is his son, John.
Greetings, my prince.
What do you mean he's nowhere to be found? Is he trying to run away or what?
My prince, he suddenly disappeared from the face of the earth. My family is in sorrow.
Have you informed the police?
No, my prince, we haven't. Hey! My prince, what are we going to do? Today is the 6th day. Hey!
Hey! Hey! I just have to resign to fate. Because we have done our best as humans.
My darling, you shouldn't be surprised. Of course it's me. Sandra. You shouldn't joke with me at all. You shouldn't. Yes! I am still the queen of the city. We run this town. No. Don't even say that. Don't. Okay. I'll have to call you back much later. Okay? What is it? I don't know if everything is alright.
Ono and one other man came in and they look really worried.
Worried? So what has that got to do with me?
I guess everything is not fine. They look really troubled.
Of course they should be troubled. They should be. Since your brother has refused to be a man and stand up to his responsibilities. It is very simple. Very, very simple. Pick up the crown, wear it on your head and everything will be fine. But no, he wouldn't. So what is my business in all this? Oh, no. Just go to him and ask him that stupid question. It isn't for me.
Sandra.
What do you mean, Sandra? Prior before you got in here, I was on a very important call. Please, can you excuse me? Can you leave? Better. Hello, darling. Yeah, sorry, you were saying something. I'm so happy right now. I am winning. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't kill me. I don't have any money to give, please. Please.
Chosen one. I am not here to hurt you.
Then who are you and what am I doing here?
Do not ask too many questions, for there is no time. You have been chosen to be the king of Amekolo Kingdom.
I already told them I'm not interested in the throne. Besides, we are not supposed to be talking about this now. I am still tied up to a chair and I don't even know where I am.
You must listen to me. You are from a royal bloodline. It is destined that you be the king of Amekolo. That the long-age curse will be broken and light may shine again in Amekolo Kingdom.
Do you mean to say Amekolo is in darkness?
One day you will understand. Now you may go.
What's up? Where is the whole stage?
Mama, when come first, relax. The whole stage is it. So the whole stage come with our own. You see, my colleague go for now.
That is not a problem. You know I have the one with me. It's not a problem.
Madam, what can I bear? So let me show you the guy.
Where this man now? Why did they look me like this? Not me and him there. This guy was here.
Are you shut up? Where is the whole stage? I mean, what exactly is going on here?
Mama, we caught this man. We kept him there. He's there here now. Mama, if this man disappear, I don't know.
Please shut up! Wait, oh, I don't want to believe this. So you morons actually made me believe you caught the man and made me come out here just to take my money from me? Is something wrong with you?
Mama,
what sort of joke is this?
Mama, walking a bed. This guy was here. We slept with this guy in here. Mama, have I lied to you before? Now, true talk, I tell you, we catch this man.
Keep quiet! Oh my goodness.
Mama! Guy, what did happen? What did happen? This now our balance will not collect. You don't carry our balance go. What is going on? This guy was here now. This guy was here.
Mazioche.
Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you. Mazi Udenka has accepted to take the crown. You can go ahead and plan his coronation.
Hey! Chineke Dalu. Hey! Look, we are not planning anything. We are going to crown him today. Yes!
I thought there would be a ceremony.
We skip that for now. We skip that for now. In fact, we are going to gather the other elders on our way. Thank you.
Coronation.
Oh my goodness. What have I gotten myself into? What mess have I gotten myself into? How do I come out of this?
Good day, my lady.
What is wrong with you? Why do you like interrupting people's thoughts? Are you a wizard?
No. But my grandmother said that we came from the lineage of witches. And at times I will be sleeping. I will see some people knocking drum. And I will be dancing to their drum beat.
I'm not surprised. And here you are, laughing at your ignorance.
Thank you, my princess. I take that as a compliment.
Will you shut up? Keep quiet. Now, what exactly have you come here to do? Because I never sent for you. What are you doing here?
Hey, you see that thing where you talk now? See, I say you talk and say my family in a winch. I was there at my duty post too. I had voice calling me. Come here. Afam, come here. I'm calling you. Come. And I came. I thought you were the one calling me. I don't know the
Now get out.
Would you like something to drink?
The ways of the gods are wise, but you may not understand. Egwo yeko kamu obodo na kunisi obodo. Okay, no somewhere no sonwa. Onye mazi kambi receive bano biribagi. Ebu na tumo.
Afam, come back here. What is wrong with you? Didn't you hear me call you?
It's Madam Sandra. I thought she called me. On reaching there, she now denied that she wasn't the one that called me. That is why I was walking like that.
Okay, there's no longer water in the house. Huh? And I remember Mother telling you not to allow water finish from the tank.
How? How come? How did they do it? Did we host party unknowingly? It's not just 3 days ago that we pump water. This is not the way other royalty normally take their bath too. People that will just take bath in the morning, because you people don't used to work, you are supposed to be clean for the next 1 week. Now you people will bath in the morning, bath in the afternoon, bath in the night, even the midnight you people will be pouring water.
Are you now telling us the number of times we should shower?
No. It doesn't mean that you people should be showering once in a while. At least as royalty, shower in the morning, shower in the afternoon, shower in the night, if possible, shower in the midnight.
What are you even saying?
I don't even know. Fine, let me call what on the phone.
Are you mad?
Sorry, don't be offended. Let me go and pump water. Is there any other thing you need?
No, my friend will go and pump the water.
Hot or cold, so that I will know how to pump it.
Something is wrong with you. Go and pump the water. I don't have time for you.
So we are related.
You are yet to apologize to me.
Okay, I'm sorry. It was not intentional. Honestly, if I knew you had royal blood in you, I probably would have done things differently. Listen, Dikeh. You're going to be crowned the next king tomorrow. Yet you act all indifferent. Amekulu needs a king.
You have always been the crown prince, and the most revered one at that. Why don't you take the crown? I mean, why don't you take the throne? Why should I even be the one to be aligned with what happened in the past?
The past hurts. Just like it hurt my family, our family. But what matters is what you do with that hurt. Please, consider.
I don't understand that.
If you go through life, you'll find out there are many things we don't understand as humans. Save Amekulu.
Selfish desire. Selfish desire. Selfish desire. Don't live a selfish life. Don't say I didn't warn you. Makibankwa vera go riri. Itiaka na eburugi nisi. Kedo kenye nozi nuno ewe mwana.
What is it? Why are you scaring me?
I'm not scaring you. I thought it's one of these palace maidens that want to shit here. If you see the can kick wife or kick the person, eh? By the way, are you pressed?
Are you stupid? What sort of stupid question is that? Listen, I don't have your time now. Just let me be.
You don't need to worry. I'm the chief security guard in this compound. Tell me what is your problem. I will take care of it. If you don't like that toilet, you can use my own. Very clean.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Makibankwa vera go riri. Itiaka na eburugi nisi. Kedo kenye nozi nuno ewe mwana.
Fine, did you make him an offer?
I did, Mom. But he thinks being king is no fun. He wouldn't even believe in the past.
He cannot run away from it. It flows in his blood.
Exactly the same thing I told him.
Come here, son. Ify.
Mom.
Just know that whatever happens, you did all you could to break this curse. My son, I recall how I carried you in my arm, in my bosom, as a baby. How you wrapped your tiny babyish finger protectively around my fingers. Oh, I miss you, Dad.
We all miss him, Mom. I promise you we will get through this together.
Gone crazy. Where did you get that gun from?
You are the one who has lost your sense of time. Refusing to be the king you were born to be.
Are we still on this? I told you that throne is not mine. Why can't you just get it?
Those were cock and bull, superstitious nonsense. I won't take that.
So what are you going to do? Shoot me?
Of course not, darling. I will crown you the king of this great kingdom first. And then I will be the queen before I decide on what to do with you.
You are insane, no? You have gone cuckoo, Sandra. What is this?
Will you shut up? You think I'm joking with you? You think I'm here to play with you? Now move it. Move, I said! Get up! Move, I said! Sandra, you're not going right now. What are you doing, Sandra? I am not joking with you.
Sandra, put that gun down, Sandra.
Move it!
Sandra,
Is something wrong with you? Hey! Don't move.
Please shoot up. Madam, please. Don't kill me. I'm the only son in my family, and my mother has been disturbing me to get married. If you don't like him, don't shoot him. I will marry him.
Please shut up!
Crazy!
Is something wrong with you? Look at you. A whole chief guard like you, shaking like a bitter leaf.
This thing has consequences.
Who cares about the consequences? All I want to do is to be the queen of this kingdom. And peradventure, if the curse kills you, then I will inherit your properties.
Come over you. This is sweet, loving girl I married.
Story for the gods. Now move your ass!
Sandra, see.
I am not joking with
Sandra,
you.
No.
I am not joking with you!
Sandra!
No.
Abomination!
Abomination.
What are you doing pointing gun at my priest?
No noise! All I wish to do is to crown him the king. You all should be thankful to me because I'm helping you to solve this problem. What is wrong with all of you? Have you gone mad? And you? Sandra, out! Out!
No, Mom, see.
What? No, this I don't. What is this?
Which man are you?
What are you talking about? What am I doing?
Sandra!
I haven't done anything.
You're under arrest.
No, God forbid.
Take her away.
I didn't do anything. Baby!
No!
Baby!
Let me see my friend. Hurry!
I collected it from you.
Go, jump.
Hey, one.
This way.
No, go now. Go now.
This way.
This way.
What is this?
Thank you, police. Thank you.
Somebody should close the door now.
Close the door now.
Somebody should go outside that.
Hey.
No.
Sandra.
There's no time. Everybody, let's go to the throne room.
Now?
Yes, no time. Mazudoka, let's go. Let's go, no time. Let's go. Let's go.
Afam, my car. Go and get me my car.
Okay, sir.
That's it. Please come with me.
It is time.
You needed to be there. You needed to be there. See, you know that it's not every time they talk about that this person is a military person, that the person is a military person. It's not. Okay, I did my chief security guard. I did my degree in Thailand. I learned my royal guard. I did the diploma in US. I did my CSO WAEC NECO in Zimbabwe. That's where I finished my work.
Only you.
You think I'm just an ordinary person? I'm trained. You missed. You would have seen the way I just overpowered her, took her gun, pose to shoot any stupid person that makes a wrong move.
Thank the gods for your intervention. No.
See, you don't even know that at times the gods are supposed to be thanking us because we do the work that they are supposed to do. Then people will go and give them praises. Huh? It just baffles me that nobody in this kingdom choose to reward me. Rather, they didn't even see my inyaka at all.
Which other reward do you want than returning your position as the chief guard in this palace? Tell me.
It's not as if I want something better. But at least if the royal household would have considered and add you to my position, since I'm the chief guard and I have one security room all to myself, at least let me see something that will be touching in the night if there is heavy rainfall. Thunderback. If the thunder do click again, come on, where is my ear?
Useless hiccups.
Somebody should get me in my ear. She slapped me. Yes, see? She slapped me. Hey! Why will horn be blowing on my ear though?
How come?
Why did you beat me? Why did you beat me?
I beat you.
Why did you beat me now? You beat me. I don't know that this is where the pain will come out from.
It is finished.
The ways of the gods are wise, but you may not understand. Ekwoyoko amuobodo na uisi ndi obodo, okino somewhere no son. Oye mazi kambiri sirebana biribagiri, ebuna tumo. Akwisi karaka buya nebuzi no gidi yonuma, manoni ebu no gidi wa Anthony when
Happy New Year. Good morning, Your Majesty.
Good morning. How are you and your family?
We are fine.
My friend, I have come to pay you for all I've been owing you. You may think I bought grudges against you, but no. It's you that really helped my family when we are in need, during our hard time. That is why I say I will come to thank you. Thank you very much.
Akwisi karaka buya nebuzi no gidi yonuma, manoni ebu no gidi wa Anthony see. When troubles comes and trials survive, so many pains surrounding our kingdom.
Jerry, you're welcome.
Thank you, Hannes.
I am sorry I've not been able to attend to or pay much attention to you.
I am so sorry.
Oh, Your Highness, I totally understand. You know, I understand the pressure as of that time.
Thank you for being considerate.
No problem, Your Majesty.
I want Jerry to tell you something.
Your Majesty, I love your daughter so much with all my heart. She's my world best, my happiness. She's my soulmate, my queen, and she's the best thing that has ever happened to me. So, Your Majesty, I'm here to inform you that I will be coming with my family to perform the traditional wedding rites. I want to make Princess Victoria here my lovely wedded wife.
Wow! Oh my goodness.
Yes, Your Majesty.
In fact, I am so excited to hear this. This is one of the best news I've heard in a very long while.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Oh my, at least we'll have something to hold on to. After all these sorrows everywhere, we have something to be happy about that will bring the families together again.
You are absolutely correct, Your Majesty. Yes.
In that case, notify us of your date. Because we have a coronation coming up, so that the dates do not clash.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. I will do that. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome to the family.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
You're going to make a very wonderful husband to her.
Oh, Your Majesty, I will be the best husband in the world. And I know you'll be the best mother-in-law. Because I know my wife is the best woman on earth. Thank you, Your Majesty.
I'm so happy. I'm so excited.
My prince, looking back, I can now agree that your father prepared you very well. I mean, with all the things that have happened, you remain calm, focused. I mean, you think properly before you do things, and you do things on your own. That's great.
I know I always look before I leap. And I've always known that patience is a virtue. My only regret is I wouldn't have allowed my brother ascend that throne.
My prince, don't blame yourself for that. It's not your fault.
I think it's about time the king looked into some of our traditions, especially those ones that are in dire need of change. Considering the fact that we're in modern society.
You are correct. Very correct.
Yes. Now that royalty has vested on his household, he needs someone to guide him. And he needs to watch his every talk and action.
I agree with you. You're right. But let's forget about that now. Enough of all that. With all these that have happened, the worst has been overcome.
Exactly.
So, what are your plans?
What other plans? I have no other plans than what I've always told you.
This is my phrase. You are very smart too. I trust you.
Thank you. No.
You know I have cola.
Yes. Go ahead and bring the cola.
Hey.
I thought you would stay back for the coronation ceremony.
My king.
No, don't give me that excuse. Don't tell me you're not staying back.
Honestly, I would love to, but I have a lot of work waiting for me back home that I need to go attend to, and it's urgent. But not to worry, I'll always be home. This is home for me, and as royalty, Tradition demands that I visit home often.
I thought you would have been around to guide me on being a good leader. Ono told me your father prepared you well for this.
Not to worry. The gods shall guide you.
My prince, the truck is loaded and ready to move.
Are you crazy? How dare you interrupt my discussion with my brother?
Mazudenka, Igwe, I'm sorry. I just wanted to inform him that the driver is ready so that the driver will not just move thinking that my prince have already entered, not knowing that his boss that have been opening.
Will you get out of here? Get out of here!
You really should find a way of handling this guy because he's such a nosy and troublesome person.
He will be shown the way out.
Whatever decision you take, please do make sure you set him up in life before putting him out of this palace. So your reign as king will be great.
I will do that. Stay well, brother.
Stay well, brother. See you around.
Your Highness, please, don't chase me out like this now. I'm the only surviving son in my family. I'm the breadwinner. If you chase me out from the palace like that, I will automatically become a nuisance to this community. I'm the breadwinner in my family, so if I lose this work, even Agege bread will not come back to our family.
When troubles comes and trials survive, so many things surrounding our kingdom. Are the gods asleep or have been on a journey? Okay, now what's it when it's over? Oh, we Brianna and Sonso. Which way forward for our kingdom? Tell me which way forward for our kingdom.